Alright folks, here's our last video, and I'm filming this right before it gets dark, and we can head inside for some dinner. So you can do this right before dinner time too. This is very similar to a video we did last week with our water bottle. If you remember, we punctured holes in the side and we played a trick. This one's just actually maybe an add-on or an addition. And I'm just going to get right into it. We're actually going to take a little bit of food coloring that I have right here, and we're going to place it in just this, soda bottle, alright? With a little bit of water. We're going to pour some water in. And we're going to take the tack, if you remember from last week, and we're going to puncture a few holes, but we're going to make it look kind of pretty, all right? So let's get started into that. I'm just going to take my food color in, say 3 or 4 drops of water in, maybe a couple more so it's nice and dark. And we're going to pour our water in with our funnel, okay? If you don't have a funnel, you just have to aim really well and get really good at it. So let's pour our water in. This is going to be basically all the way to the top. It doesn't have to be exact, but the higher the better, just so you have a longer time to do this. And we're going to screw our cap on, and we're going to put some holes in the side, okay? Alright folks, we're actually back inside. It got really windy and cold outside last time, and I have a new bottle. I'm just doing this over a pan so I don't spill anything. And I'm going to create that spiral pattern now. How I'm going to create holes in the side is actually just like a, almost like a north, south, east, west pattern, if that makes sense, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to show you right now. I actually don't have the bottle like this. I have the bottle sideways so the water doesn't spill out when I make the holes. So I'm going to make them towards the bottom of the bottle. All right, and we're going to put 1. There's 1. We're going to do 2. Man, I need to get back to the gym. 3. And 4. You see the pattern, north, south, east, west, like that. So we're gonna try it, all right? I'm gonna flip this over the counter and we're gonna see if we can form the spiral. As you can see, just pouring out, the water comes just as 3 individual streams, but if you twist it with your hand, like so, start to see the spirals? And you gotta push really hard on the bottle. Alright. So you can see each stream itself is forming a spiral. And then when you really twist it, like so, you can actually form a mega spiral. But each individual one has like a DNA hair braid. Alright folks, I just added 1 more hole in the middle to hopefully make it a little bit easier, and we're going to try it again now. Alright. Oh, check it out. Alright. We're switching between 2 different spray settings. You know when you have like a shower head and you can change between different shower head settings? That's kind of what we're doing now. And that's kind of the point, is that by changing the opening of where the water exits, changes the path it follows. So when you do something like that where you twist with the 5 holes, the initial movement of the water actually you're forming a spiral pattern right at the beginning. So each of them is falling out just in like a normal trajectory path, right? Falling downwards. However, when you twist like this, right? What you're doing, you saw it there for a second, is you're forming an initial twist in every single hole, and those all combine to 1 twist and carry out as you continue with pressure. If you release, you're gonna have to restart the process again.